Jadi, liu ni jaga liu. Lu.
Yeah. And you can see them over there. There is one, two, three, four, five, six, and seven of them. Seven beautiful birds. But they are different, whatever. And you can see, I don't know how the other one is going to. And you can see the difference. So yeah, can you see them? You can see them, right? And you can also see, okay. Yeah, so this is that is the helmeted guinea fowl, helmeted guinea fowl spread there. They're feeding on the ground and roasting in trees at night. When around, they usually run for covering instead of taking flight because they can't fly. Eastern yellow-billed hornbill. Yeah, they bank on an eastern yellow-billed hornbill. Beak is called casque, pronounced casque. Oh, casque, not casque. Some scientists believe their casque vibrates to make the hornbills call louder. You know, and that is East African corn crane. Corn cranes often make polite and dancing rituals an important part of this ball. A crowned crane dance starts with bobbing and going and finishes with a leap into the air. And the last one is the blue-bellied rollers. Get their name from the dynamic courtship cry where they twirl and spin through the sky chasing one another before shutting down to mate. So yeah, so that's beautiful animal.